Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create YouTube logo in Adobe Illustrator CC 2024. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's make it.
I'm sure I've seen you in my dreams. I'm feeling like in the first time we ever meet. You made the time slow, slow, just like slow rivers flow. Slow, I see the